Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. I hope y'all are doing wonderful today. It is going to be another video of me in my kitchen whipping up some goodies for company that will be showing up soon. And one of my most favorite things to make this time of year is my pumpkin rolls. So real quickly, just so you know, in the video I'm doubling the recipe, but just the straight out recipe is 2/3 of a cup of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 3/4 cup of flour. And then, as you can see, I'm not even using my mixer. I'm just doing this by hand. And I line a baking sheet, and it has to be a baking sheet with an edge on it, as you can see here. And I have greased it as well. And I'm going to pour the batter in there. And here in a minute, you're going to see that I decided to make 2. And I baked it at 325 for 15 minutes. And then I will turn it out on tea towels that I have covered in powdered sugar. And then basically you just roll it up in the tea towel so that when it cools, it keeps that shape. Now, once my rolls are completely cooled in my mixer, I think using a mixer is really a good idea because it combines it so much easier and makes more of a creamy filling. Note, I am doubling it again in the mixer. So it is 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. And once that is good and combined, you are going to fill each one of your rolls and roll it back up. And you will see that the way that I do this is I roll it back up and then I wrap it in wax paper and then I wrap it in foil and put it into the refrigerator. Now in my mixing bowl, I am going to whip up a very basic jalapeno cheese ball. And I make this several different ways, but mostly I just kind of account for what I have in the house. So as you can see there, I've added 2 bricks of cream cheese. I added about 1/4 cup of sour cream. I added some bacon, some real bacon bites, my jalapenos, which was about 3/4 of a small jar of jalapenos that I chopped up, and a couple nice handfuls of finely shredded cheddar cheese. And then I am going to take my mixture and press it into a plastic wrapped lined bowl there, and then I will take that plastic wrap and wrap it around and make it into a ball shape. The last thing that I am wanting to do is to tackle some cookie recipes, and what I love to do is to use cake mixes. And in this recipe here, I am using a yellow cake mix as a base for my peanut butter cookies. And in the description box down below, I will write out the recipe for this, but it is so easy. You won't even believe how easy it is. It is an awesome recipe. And what I like to do is like the night before I'm going to make all of my cookies, I just go ahead and make out all my cookie dough and place it in gallon bags, put it in my refrigerator, and in the morning while I'm drinking my coffee, I lay those cookie, the bags out and kind of let them get warmed up a little bit, and then I just use my cookie scooper and scoop them out and put them on baking sheets and bake all of them. And I don't have to worry about washing bowls or measuring out anything. All I have to do is bake and I'm done. Now here is my peanut butter cookie dough. I doubled the recipe, and it is awesome to have this on hand because in the morning I'm going to get up, bake these cookies, and it's going to be super easy. Now this last one that I'm making, I am making a lemon cookie. I make these every year, and everybody raves about them, and I love these cookies. And I gotta tell you, I don't like a lot of lemony things, but these cookies, it's like the lemon and the powdered sugar, because you roll them in powdered sugar before you bake them. I don't know, but it evens each other out, and it is absolutely delicious. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video today. Thank you for keeping up on Vlogmas, and I will catch you tomorrow.